Scale of vertical photograph. Scale of vertical photograph. Scale is defined as photo distance by photo distance divided by ground distance. Ground distance. Suppose this is datum. Ground is like this. Ground, which is h meters from the datum. And photo is taken from capital H from datum, like this. This height is from datum, it is capital H. And focal length of camera is f. Focal length of camera is f. This is photograph. Now optical axis is this vertical line. This is optical axis. Let us take this is point A and this is point B on the ground. On the photograph, it is small a and small b. Now photo distance is small ab divided by ground distance is capital AB, but which is equal to, from similar triangles, f divided by h minus small h. Therefore, scale S equal to f divided by h minus h. So scale depends on ground elevation. Scale depends on ground elevation. If h increases means scale will increase. Scale will increase with elevation. And suppose if a line on the ground having different elevations, then take average elevation to calculate scale. Example, if the ground having lowest elevation as h1 and highest elevation as h2, then average elevation is h1 plus h2 by 2, which is equal to small h. This can be used to find the scale of the photograph. Length of a line from a vertical photograph. Length of a line from a vertical photograph. If photograph coordinate is small x comma y and ground coordinate is capital X comma y, then small x by capital X equal to f divided by h minus h, and small y by capital Y equal to f divided by capital H minus small h. Suppose if a line AB joins two points XA, small XA, YA, points A, and B, XB by B on the photograph. Then true horizontal distance on the ground. True horizontal distance on the ground AB, L equal to square root of XA minus XB whole square plus YA minus YB whole square, where XA equal to H minus HA divided by F into small XA. from the above relationship. Similarly, YA equal to H minus HA by F into small ya. Similarly, XB equal to H minus HB by F into XB, and capital YB equal to H minus HB by F into small yb, where HA and HB are elevations of points A and B on the ground.